Hey, everybody looking at me like I'm crazy. Veda, day 2. All right, we are loading up the Jeep. We just had a big storm. It's muggy as all get out. Feels like Florida. Okay, so I got the seats laid down in the Jeep. Oh Lord, what is all this? Okay. This is a righteous mess. I don't know that we're going to need any of this crap. Capital One, what's in your wallet? You gotta love Buc-ee's. Whew. It is hot. Alright, I wonder if this camera will fit. Big tote. This camera is going to fall from right here and it's going to break and I'm going to be mad as hell. There we go. Chairs are in. And we got this thing. Lord, where is this going to go? That can go there. I just want to know who packs these suitcases. I mean, God. These things are to the gills. That's a workout. You were singing a song.
I was not. Turn the stove off.
Yes, quit making me double think.
Got the wallet.
Both of them. You got yours?
Both of them.
You sure?
Yes.
Alright, house, we'll be back. People know what our backyard looks like. Okay. How far to Wilmington?
Oh, that's supposed to be there.
Oh, I don't know. I can do it.
Four hours and 25 minutes.
Oh, God. 4 hours and 25 minutes.
Starting route to True by Hilton Wilmington Wrightsville Beach.
A big
And
point
north
that
of
said,
South Price Street.
avoid
Turn
flash
right
flood.
onto Cadillac.
Avoid flash flooding and avoid 81.
No, we know we're here.
Right onto Cadillac.
Just making sure.
That's the opposite going on forward.
Okay, on the road, y'all. Vlog every day in August. Day 2. Today's the 2nd. Real quick, we gotta have a stop at the Sheets.
Many hours later.
We're making a pit stop at the Golden Arches for a pee break and a coffee. Huh?
Oh.
I said we're making a pee break at the Golden Arches.
Stretching. My hip needs stretching.
Twenty minutes later.
Driver switcheroo. Tired, babe? Tired? So I'm gonna drive. To the room. To the room. Time check. It is 1:18. Hilton. We love these true hotels. Nowhere to park, but okay. That's gonna bring a wrap to day 2 of Veda 2024. Tomorrow, day 3. Get some sleep.